Wow, she has made a tent out of it. जो लोगों को मलयालम नहीं आता है वो अंदर आ जाके कुछ भी नहीं छी सिग्गु లేదు
Finish faster.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. Those of you all who do not know me, hi, my name is Vidya Mora and I am a student at NIFT. So before starting with this vlog, I have to share with you all something interesting. So many of you all keep asking me which course did I take up, what exactly I'm doing and what is NIFT and what is design in specific. So, NIFT is like a government college for fashion design. It is called National Institute of Fashion Technology, and where you can study basically about everything about fashion and design. There is another college called NID, National Institute of Design. So basically, you have to give an entrance exam to get into any design college. If you're a design undergraduate aspirant and you're preparing for exams like NID and NIFT, but you're struggling with preparation and proper feedback on your creative work and drawings, then look no further. तो PW Design and Architecture लेके आ गया है Design Iconic Batch 2025 and Design Iconic Pro Batch 2025. Design Iconic Batch में you will get top-notch faculty, live plus recorded lectures, personalized feedback on drawings, brush-up courses and drawing classes, 3000 plus question bank and 10 full-length mock test series and more. And Design Iconic Pro 2025 बैच में you will get इस बैच में डिज़ाइन आइकॉनिक बैच के सारे फीचर्स के साथ साथ आपको मिलेगा एक्सेस टू ऑल दी अपकमिंग बैचेस ऑफ डिज़ाइन 2025, निफ्ट एंड एनआईडी के साथ प्रिपरेशन फॉर 6 अदर टॉप डिज़ाइन एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स एंड मैनी मोर. डिज़ाइन आइकॉनिक का प्राइस 4,999 एंड डिज़ाइन आइकॉनिक प्रो का प्राइस 6,999. Use my coupon code VIM500 to get additional 500 off on these batches. So don't wait and enroll into these batches. The link is in the description box. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to episode 2 of this series. This is day 2 and we are going to our cluster. Look at Mira's changing room. Morning. Wow, she has made a tent out of it. Girls, it might be so easy for men, no? They can walk around shirtless. Well, chaotic mornings. All are in a hurry because we have to go there by 10. We cannot be late on our first day. Guys, can you see Rimal and Nikhil? Kelvin. Rimal! They joined us today morning. Guys, guess what? We have like a beach right next to our Taj Textile. Oh my god, that's an apartment. Look at that, that's an apartment apparently. Okay, so हम जब इधर फर्स्ट मतलब गूगल मैप से देख रहे थे फॉर आवर सेकेंडरी रिसर्च, हमें बिल्कुल कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा था. गूगल मैप पे था ही नहीं लोकेशन इसका. सो इट वॉज लाइक रियली डिफ़िकल्ट फॉर अस. इधर आने के बाद वी हैड टू कनिष्का, हनी और कोई तो गया था टू कम एंड चेक द दिस थिंग क्लस्टर. सो इसलिए आज हम जल्दी आ पाए, नहीं तो फिर हमें इससे भी थोड़ा जल्दी निकलना पड़ता. क्या? Oh my god, Sai and Sai's obsession with cats. I can't.
I love this place just for the cause of that there's a cat every corner.
I'm happy because there's beach. Beach. There's beach.
Yes. Yeah, there's a beach.
There's a beach. You have never come to my this thing vlog. Okay, this is like our cluster. It's like very quiet. Maybe this is the reason why we did not like get to know the location properly. But now that we do, maybe we can like do it ourselves, like put a location ourselves. We'll do that. Pavada, Kanishka. And she's wearing black.
Seriously, bro. I don't know. I am black.
I also have one black outfit. I'll wear probably someday. I don't know.
छोड़ दे idea.
Way too sleepy. सही आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
ऐसा लग रहा है कि जिंदगी में कुछ पढ़ाई किया
एक्चुअली मलयालम में बोल रही है, हमें कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा, तो हम क्वेश्चंस को हम लोग पूछ के उनसे आंसर लिखवा रहे हैं, लेकिन प्रॉब्लम ये है ना कि वो आंसर हम लोग को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि उसने सही आंसर दिया है कि बहुत कन्फ्यूजन हो रहा है। मैंने तो अभी से ही गिव अप कर दिया, उनको बहुत नींद आ रही है। गाइस पिलो कवर देखो,
This was a casement check.
ये गाइस डू यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आवर प्रॉब्लम इज? जो लोगों को मलयालम नहीं आता वो अंदर आ जाके कुछ भी नहीं मतलब पूछ रहे हैं, लेकिन जो इंग्लिश वर्ड्स आ रहे हैं ना मैं सिर्फ वही लिख रही हूँ, ठीक है? आई एम फिगरिंग आउट व्हाट दे आर सेइंग। लुक एट द वे ही इज वॉकिंग, चिकन वॉक। And look at us, we are just looking at them. Very inappropriate clothing. Full of holes. Very inappropriate. Girls are wearing kurtas and look at this. Chi, siggu ledu. Aadiki etla ardhamaitadu raadu. Aadiki etla ardhamaitadu. Meeku ardhamaindhiga. What is she doing? अब हम जा रहे हैं अंदर। अबैंडन्ड है क्या ये, या फिर नहीं होगा? हम लोग को ही कम पता भाई। Okay, basically he is cutting the thread and putting it inside and weaving it like that. So, and he's doing it really fast, and that's so satisfying to watch. I'm hungry.
You have to follow the certain guidelines and you have to work accordingly.
Food. These guys are basically standing like
Finish faster. No. NRI, listen. Here, no, whenever there is a wedding or like a wedding or temple festival, they have like food. No, people will come stand behind our throats like this, eat fast. They're like eat, finish it, and then we'll be so nervous. We're like, and they won't even leave space for you to go out.
And you know what? Until the whole row gets finished eating, they don't get up. They don't remove it. So there's little stress. If you're a slow eater, you're dead.
Bro, I've seen places where like men's section also will stand this side, women's section will stand. They'll be like, "Akali, bunny." They'll call and make them stand. Now when Vidya will get out, I'll come and take that place.
I'm just feeling like dush.
Bro, do you feel the pressure?
yeah. Okay guys, तो हम जा रहे हैं बीच एंड हमारा ग्रुप का बेसिकली क्वेश्चन आंसर हो गया है, तो हम जा रहे हैं बीच। to nothing before coffee करके कोई तो कैफे है. So we are going there and we are going to have hot chocolate. I cannot have coffee इसलिए I am going to have hot chocolate. ये जो भी हो रहा है ये पीछे ये लोग कर रहे हैं. Auto. So we are done with our work today. We are here और इधर ना बहुत ऐसे अच्छे places है. ये देखो green house, bistro and that Latin street is also there. But like we haven't planned anything yet. मतलब ऐसे खाने नहीं आए. हमने already lunch करा है. So we are planning to just go and have hot chocolate and ऐसा कोई drinks वगैरह only. So let's go. It's such a cute place. Oh my god, there are such cute games and all. Okay guys, the Nutella, hot Nutella was so nice that I stained my pants. Oh no! Look at that!
ಎಲ್ಲ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ అందరూ
Okay, it happened by mistake. Okay.
Caramel macchiato is something so nice.
We are back to the dorm. Ignore my avatar. I do not have the patience to like take it off and do it again. Okay, then. We're back to the dorm. I changed and I rubbed my pants and everyone. इतना पूरा रूम खाली है. सिर्फ कारुण्या बैठे. पूरा रूम पूरा खाली है. But everyone wants to sit here. We are playing Mafia. She's God.
Doctor saves people. They can save themselves. You mean kill and save them? Mafia kills, doctor saves. Kill them in the dead, no. How to save?
पूरा कंपार्टमेंट खाली है. बस इधर ही बैठना है आपको. नहीं, I don't approve. ये हमारा भी स्पेस है तो जरा क्लियर करो. मेरे को बहुत सर दर्द हो रहा है.
Let's go have discussion.
माफिया killed me.
I want to say it's night, okay? Mafia, please wake up. Okay, Mafia sleep. Police.
So what happened? Like we were playing Mafia, and then
What is the out? She's like Mafia, we are playing.
and then we were all hungry, and then we ordered dinner, and then I ordered momos, and then
It took forever to come. It took forever.
and
It
then
didn't take
it
forever
was
to
a
eat.
weird mayo. Okay, it was all liquid. It was ew. We were discussing in the group and how we got a weird tech cluster. They're only working for the sake of working.
Exactly.
And they're
You can buy off the whole viewer society.
yeah. The problem is that they are not willing to work. They do not want to work. They're not even looking for profits, and we do not know what to improve in that. They do not have any. We were asking Samne say, do you face any issues in the last 10 years? And they're saying no issues, and it's a very healthy environment to work. What? And the fact that two groups are working on the same cluster, we do not know what. And we do not know what exactly to write and what exactly to improve there. There are like 10 looms and only 33 are working. So people are not interested at all. That is it for day 2. Day 2?
Finally, it's done. Yeah.
Yeah, that is it for day 2 of this series. No, episode 2. Okay, that is it for episode 2 of this series. And go and see the next episode. And go and see the previous episode too. And if you and I really hope that you like it. And please let me know in the comments whether the series idea is good or not. Like the video, comment, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe, and do not forget to click on the bell icon. Bye.